Hello, this is Joshua here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover. You were inquiring about the Ioniq hybrid. Here's one right here. We got the wraparound headlights here, daytime running lights. We got our alloy wheels with nitrous-filled tires. Come on and look at the interior over here. We got nice leather with the limited package here. We got heated seats. We got all the controls here. We got a touch screen with BlueLink, Android Auto, and Apple Play. You got your lane keep assist. You have your blind spot detectors with your LED indicators here. Got a gorgeous rear end right here. Beautiful sign. Got a lot of room in the trunk here with a 60-40 split on the seats. And here at Tameron Hyundai in Hoover, we have a 60,000 mile, 5-year bumper-to-bumper warranty on new cars, and we also have a 10-year, 100,000 mile warranty, which we double here at Tameron. And again, remember, you're always going to love the way you're treated here. And call me. You can reach me at 334-663-1422. And again, my name is Joshua, and thank you very much.